weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon Mountain Standard Time. If there is a threat of severe weather, this test will be postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio. The official NOAA... This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of, or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning services possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Maricopa and Northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. Here is the 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time observation for Phoenix on